So today you are going to solve the paper Specimen Paper 3 2020. Task 1, Evidence Document. Create a document in a word processing application. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page by placing these details in the header. Save the document in your work area with the name evidence underscore followed by your candidate number. So you will need the evidence document during the examination to display images, text, screenshots when required. So you need to create an evidence document, that is a word processing application, that means a word document. You need to add your name, center number, candidate number in the header. So you can add your name, center number, candidate number into the header and save the evidence document in your folder as evidence underscore your GR number underscore your candidate number. For example, I'll type this save. So this is your evidence document. So as and when required, you need to save the pictures, files, images, everything here in this evidence document. So in this video, we are going to do the task 3, that is the web page authoring part of this paper. So task 3, web page. Create a new folder TTS web in your work area. So you're asked to create a new folder TTS web in your work area, means in your folder. TTS web created. Now locate the following files and copy them to your TTS web folder: TTS banner, TTS offer, TTS style, TT text1, TT text2, wallpaper.png. So you need to copy all these files into your folder. This is my supporting file folder. I'll be copying all these files: TTS banner, TTS offer, TTS style, TT text1, TT text2, wallpaper into TTS web. Control V, paste. So I have copied the required files. Edit the TTS banner.png image so that there is space the same size as the text above and below the text. It should look like. So let's see what is the picture given in TTS banner once. So this is the picture TTS banner. We are asked to edit this picture so that it should look like this. So I have noticed you can use any software, picture editing software, but I'm going to use simple paint so that I'll get a picture like this. Least two sentences here and two sentences up. So I'm going to edit the picture using paint. Right click, open with paint. I'll be using the rectangular selection. Okay, then I'll click crop so that now the picture looks almost same like what is given. After that, save the image as tts banner.jpg. So I'll be going to save as. I'll save the picture in the same folder. TTS banner, save as type JPEG. Save. Done. Evidence 1. Place a copy of TTS banner.jpg image in your evidence document. So this is evidence 1. Open the evidence document. Type evidence 1. You need to keep a copy of TTS banner.jpg. I'll paste it here. So TTS Thavara Technology Solutions. That picture I have pasted here. Create a web page named TTS homepage.html in your TTS web folder. So to create a web page, I'll be using web expression. This is web expression 4. So I'll open web expression. Microsoft Expression Web 4. I'll be using this software to create the web pages. Go to File, New, HTML. I'm going to save it as, close this one. Create a web page named TTS homepage.html. So this one, file, save as, find out your folder. This is my folder. Find out TTS web, open that one. In this, I'll be saving it as TTS homepage.html. Save. You can see now the page is renamed to TTS homepage.html. That is done. This web page must work in any browser and contain a table with a structure as shown below. The width of the table is set in the style sheet and the height of the rows will be set by their contents. So this is the table they have given. Let's see how the table looks like. They have given a table. This is how the table will be looking like. You're going to insert a table and the table will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows and maximum of 2 columns, though some of the cells are already merged. And they have given a hint on how the table will be looking like. If you examine the style sheet given below, you can see the table is having 600 pixels wide. Some things are defined here. That's it. So first step is you need to create a table. And the table should be looking like this. So again, open web expression. You can see a tab named table. Click on table tab, insert table. So we have counted the rows as 5 rows and 2 columns. Since I have already noticed that it is 600 pixels wide in the style sheet, I'll mention it here. 600 pixels. It's optional, or else you can leave it as such. 600 pixels. Click OK. So a table is inserted in your web page. Insert the text shown in bold. So there are some text already shown here. Replace the text in chevrons with the image and text as instructed. Save the web page. So you need to enter all this text. So first thing, in the first cell you can see these two cells are merged and made to a single cell. So you have to do the same thing here. I'm going to merge the first top two cells. Select, right click, modify, merge cells. The cells are merged so that it became one single cell. Insert the TTS banner.jpg image here. Add appropriate alternate text to this image. So I'm going to insert the picture here. Go to Insert tab, Picture, from File, find out where your folder is, TTS Web, from that TTS banner, this one, insert. Alternate text means the text that has to be displayed if the image doesn't get displayed because of some reason. So I'll be giving the text alternate text as banner itself. Click OK. So the picture got inserted. How we can support you? So this is the text that is shown in bold. Replace the text in the chevrons with image and text as instructed. So how we can support you? So I'll be typing here. Here also two cells are merged. So I have selected both the cells. Right click, modify, merge cells. We have to type how we can support you. Typed it. How we can support you. Set in style H1. So I need to select this. Click here H1. That is done. Now insert TTS offer.png image here. Add appropriate alternate text to this image. So if you noticed, the two cells here are merged together to form a single cell. So here we'll be doing the same thing. Select these two cells, right click, modify, merge cell so that it is made to one single cell. I need to insert the picture TTS offer. Just click there, insert picture, from file, TTS offer, insert. Alternate text, I'm going to give the text as offer itself. So this will get displayed if the image is not getting displayed due to any reason. Okay, that is inserted. Now insert the text in tttext.txt file here. So and set in style H3. So let's see what is in tttext1. This is the file. Select all the text in this file. Control C, and you need to paste it here in this cell. Control V. So that got pasted. Set in style H3. So select this. Here, click on H3, heading H3. That is done. Now we can, you have to type we can, set in style H2. So I'll be typing in the next cell, that is here. I have to type we can, colon, select, keep it in, you need to keep it in H2. Click here, heading 2. Done. insert the text in the tttext2.txt file here, set as an unordered list. So let's examine what are there in tttext2. Close this, open the file tttext2. These are the things in tttext2. Select all, Control C, paste it there, Control V. Okay. Now set as an unordered list. You need to set it as an unordered list. That means bullet points. Select this. Again, click here. You can notice unordered list UL here. Just click on that. So now bullet points had come here. Since you need to list all these in bullet points, what we do is just click here, press delete, then press enter. The same thing here, press delete, press enter. Here also press delete, then press enter. Here press delete, then press enter. So all the things are now listed as bullet points. That is unordered list. So that is also done. Now click here to contact us. Set in style H3. So we will be typing here. Click here to contact us and set it as H3, that is heading 3. Done. And in this cell, website maintained by your name, center number, candidate number, set in style H3. So here you need to type website maintained by name, center number, candidate number. And you need to set it as H3. That is also done. Now save the web page. So I'll just click save. Now the web page is saved. So if you want to see the code, both the design view and the code, you can click on split. You can see the code as well as design here. If you want to see the HTML code, just click on this code. You can see the full HTML code done so far. Okay, so that's it. Now the HTML part is over. Then comes the CSS part. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. So open the style sheet TSS style.css in your editor. So this is the editor. So we will be opening the required file. Open. This is the one, TSS style. Click open. The file is opened here. TSS style. Edit the style sheet to use the wallpaper.png image as the background of the web page. So you are going to set the wallpaper, this picture, that is wallpaper.png, as the background of the web page using CSS. So what we are going to do is, in this side you can see the style sheet panel. So did you see body here? Here. Just click on the body, right click, modify style. This window will be open, that is modified style. Selected, that is body, we are going to modify body. You can see background here. Just click on background. So remove this light blue. We want to set a background image. So click on browse wallpaper.png. This is the background image. Click open. So now the wallpaper is set as background image. Then click OK. So you can notice the code changes accordingly. So that part is done. Now moving on to next question. Using the most efficient methods, add the following styles to style sheets. All the color codes must be in hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is a number representation. All the colors should be mentioned in hexadecimal. So they have given what are the various things or selectors that you are going to modify. Table. These are the features of the table. H1, that is heading 1. All the things in heading 1 will be having all these features, properties. Into all these are having these properties, and H3 another selector, all these are having these properties, and the values are also given. Another selector, properties, and the values are also given here. So first thing is table. So let's go through. Position. The table should be center aligned within the browser window. Size should be 600 pixels wide. Borders, no visible borders. Cells, cell spacing 0 pixel. Cell padding 10 pixels. So first thing we are going to define is table. So how we are going to define table in this style sheet? So again the same thing. Here new style, click on new style. The selector is we are going to change the table style. So table, the first thing is position. So just click on position. The position is mentioned as center aligned within the browser window. You can see here position center aligned within the browser window. So click on position. Then to make it center aligned, what we do is we will do right. There is an option right. Right we will set it as auto.